As a first responder, if you've not yet dealt with explosives, IEDs, or active shooters, you will. These events are in the news every week, and the attacks are only becoming more organized and sophisticated. From weaponized fireworks to IED UAV drones, these threats are only becoming worse. My name is Jack with American Explosives Group, and we have a great first responder training program that covers these topics called C-Team. That stands for Counter-Terrorism, Explosives, Active Shooter Management. This course provides 8 hours of training in explosives, IEDs, active shooters, drones, situational awareness, mobs and riots, and best practices for mass casualty events. Here's an example. 2 weeks after releasing our program, 23 would-be terrorists were caught planning an attack on the UFC Freedom 250 event at the White House. These guys spanned across at least 5 different states. They had funding, planning, weapons, gear, communications, maps. And what they wanted to do was attack the event with IED drones and then use sniper positions to take out high-value targets. Fortunately, they were caught, and this training will provide tools to help prevent these types of incidences. We'll even share an example of how a Customs and Border Protection agent stopped an attack on the LAX airport in 2000. Some future mass casualty events will be prevented, and if they are, they will be by frontline first responders, maybe like yourself, that have enough training to be able to recognize these threats. Would you like to learn more? Click on the link down in the description box below or visit American Explosives Group.